We will turn this one. Sally's turn. So what's this again?
This is my project for the Great Fire of London.
So that's why there's like the flags in here.
Oh my god, help me. What do I have to do the front? Look, Ali,
You're doing the front.
you just chose to do it.
Yeah, and you're doing it. You must do the front.
This is why I want to take like a little brush. Wait, you just color all over here?
Yeah.
My drawings of BBC.
You mean the BBQ?
Yeah, barbecue. Yeah. I just drawn ham though, it's not barbecue. I just drew the drill. BBC. Let's
You have
go.
to cover it up. The BBQ.
Bye.
Approach child.
And and the Great Fire of London happened on September the 2nd, 1666.
Wow. So we'll come back a bit later after Ali's done painting. I can put all the fires.
I just realized. Nice view. Part window.
What is it?
I want to paint the chimney side. I'm painting.
Really, this is hard.
You done?
What about the steps?
Steps. Let's color it.
Yellow?
No.
No, look.
Brown maybe?
Yeah? Or
I
not?
know.
Maybe.
Black. What about
what?
red?
What?
There's like brick steps. You got brick steps.
The fire lasts for 4 days.
And it happened. That's how it spreads it.
Because
It was
the
made out
house
of wood.
before.
Made out of wood. Made out of wood. Do, do, do. Made out of wood. Do, do, do. It's someone that
This
thought
will
of
take
it.
time, which is the bakery.
So there shouldn't be any bricks here. Maybe.
Oh yeah. Maybe a little bricks. A
No,
bit of bricks.
no.
I still like the windmill. It is